Hey, what's happening? Tim with Nomad Trading. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't already, all that YouTube stuff, and above and beyond all else, make sure you go get one of these stickers. Go vote. Exercise your constitutional right to decide and elect, and get in there and cast your vote. How crazy was the markets today, by the way? Let's look at this. SPY, this is SPY, SPY, up almost 2% today. That's pretty crazy considering it's election day, and it's anybody's guess what's going to happen. For the markets to be up that much, to me, don't shoot the messenger. It's just my opinion. In my opinion, it's because people think Trump is going to win. I've heard the argument that markets would go up if Biden wins, and my personal belief is contrary to that. If you look at the time that Trump's been in office, which he got in office back right in here, it's gone nowhere but up. I mean, it's been nothing but good for markets the whole time he's been in office, even through a global pandemic that plummeted the markets. But V-shaped recovery. People argue that it's not a V-shaped recovery, but I don't know what more of a V-shaped recovery you could have, considering the pandemic is still going on and we hit all new all-time highs. So I think, to me, it signifies that people believe, right or wrong, that Trump is going to win. It could be that people think Biden's going to win, and maybe he'll be easier on trade relations with China, etc., and that will pump the market higher. That could be the case, but I'm just going with what my gut says, that people see that there's been growth for years now, and it's been nothing but up the whole time, even recovered after the pandemic. And I gotta think that people with big money are seeing that, and for whatever reason, thinking that Trump is going to win this election. And they put their money where their mouth is. But I could be wrong. It could be because of Biden and his possible relationship, or just like the pressure maybe being off the market, because some people think that Trump's a loose cannon or whatever. I don't know, but to me, my gut says it's more likely that people for some reason believe that Trump is going to win and put their money in the market. We'll see. Another big stock today, the big one that I've been watching anyway here late in the day, APVO. This thing rocketed up right here, broke VWAP just out of nowhere. It's been trading sideways on not that crazy a volume, and then boom, out of nowhere, it gets volume, breaks VWAP, comes up, pulls back a little bit, tests high of day, pulls back again, and then a good spot to go long here as it tested high of day, pulled back, and then curled up. It showed strength, and then that would have been a good spot anywhere in there to go long from the 9 area, and you could have easily made $1 or $2 without very much risk at all. It went all the way to 1170 or so. So even from the breakout spot, you're looking at over $2 a share. Pretty good opportunity there. Probably we'll see what happens. It's actually trying to curl up now. I'm not sure what the catalyst is. I didn't see the catalyst, but I didn't really look very closely. But I thought that it was just going to fade back down. For whatever reason, it's broken back up through the 50 and kind of trying to stay alive here after hours. So maybe there's a catalyst I'm not aware of. It seems like there might be, considering it's up 66% on the day, but that doesn't always mean anything. Sometimes that you get the volume and you get shorts covering, etc., you can have a nice move even without a catalyst. So we'll see where it goes from here, but I tend to think that it's going to go down unless there's a catalyst that's pretty decent. Maybe we could see some further squeezing. If we look at the daily chart, it's kind of past, for the most part, all the recent resistance, other than this one candle here where it topped out at 1173. So it's no mystery that today, same thing. It topped out at almost the same area. Happens all the time. That is technical analysis, kind of using the past to predict what's going to happen in the future. And let's see, BBGI was another one. This one was just a gap and fade for the most part. It was trading down the 120 area yesterday. Had pretty big volume today. Got up in the 2s. But then for the most part all day it's just been fading. Not a whole lot of opportunities for longs to scalp, but a better short. Then we had another one I called out that APVO in the live YouTube. I just stream my scanner live on YouTube, and I kind of pop in and out of the chat box when I get the chance. So that was APVO I was talking about in the 8s in the chat box, and it went to 1170. So JAKK was another one I talked about as it broke the VWAP here, and then came back and tested it. And I said in the chat, you know, that'd be a good spot if it comes back and tests VWAP. That'd be a good spot to enter. And sure enough, it ripped at that point from 560 to over $6. So another good opportunity there, fairly safe opportunity there for a long. Let's see. That's about all let's see. Was there another one? There's lower volume. Yeah, that's about all I see. So I'm just going to jump off here. Make sure you go vote. Don't forget to go vote. Get your sticker. Get your vote on. Like, subscribe, all that YouTube stuff while you're here. I really appreciate all the support. You guys are awesome. And yeah, we'll be tuning in to watch the election results and see what happens. See how this all pans out tonight. Exciting times. I love election night. It's kind of fun, I think, to watch how it all plays out on the news as they talk about the different states coming in and reporting where they're at. It's kind of exciting. So I'm looking forward to it. I hope you guys are too. Have a great evening. If you made it this far, first of all, I just want to say I love you. You must have liked the video, so make sure you give me that thumbs up, subscribe, notifications on, of course, and then click on one of my videos to the side. If the YouTube algorithm is doing its job, there should be one over there. If not, just go to my page and check it out. Thanks for watching. Peace.